Alright, so we're trying to get, I guess, the front bags aired. This is what it originally had for it to hold air. We kind of had to mess with it to get it kind of on the new bag. Only problem is I can't find the other pieces we had for it to get this side. So it's kind of only issue we're having, but we've been working on this like pretty much the whole day. And we're gonna go ahead and see if it'll hold air. We just barely got it on this one. Where the robot struggles here. Here, grab this camera. Look at this. What you gotta do to pull this fool's door? Struggles.
You know what's gonna come out also in here?
What?
That hole in your bed.
Yeah. Whatever. They're just close to work on the car. When are you gonna get your doors fixed?
Hopefully this month. If not next.
Alright, well, we're in his whip. We gotta go to Lowe's. We gotta make one of these things for the new bags. So we're gonna try to get it out the garage, but these are not fitting, so let's see what we can do. This fool went and bought him a cup holder. Look at that, you see it right there? All gay. That's what happens when you buy a car with no cup holders. Does it even work?
Can't wait.
It's empty. Put a full cup in there.
What do you mean it's full? Look.
Hit 3-wheel motion, see if it drops.
Fuck no. I have to put a cage over it.
The struggles. Alright, we got the left side up and holding air. So, the bag's good. Only problem is the right side, there's a hole in the bag. So it's not gonna hold air. I don't know if you guys can hear it on the camera, but the air's just coming out. So, went up a little bit. So now we're gonna have to pretty much take that tire off, get the bag out, and try to find someone that sells bags or order them online. Only problem is, it might be pretty expensive just to get it in town. But we're gonna go ahead and try to see if we can find one for cheap. So, I think I found it. This right here. I think probably from this. Alright, smoking over here. We're gonna have to go clean all that off. It's stuck. Alright. Came to help Martine jump this car, and it's ridiculous. Look at this jumper cable. This is what we have to work with. Look at this. Look at this. Who does this? Who does this? Good thing I brought my own.
Yeah, pull your car forward.
Here, put these on.
What's wrong with mine?
I'm not trying to die.
You won't die. Now pull this car forward.
They don't even reach.
Pull this car forward.
Just put you're trying to kill us. Look at him. Why are you trying to kill me, Martine?
Now hold this here.
Oh, I gotta hold
Like
it.
that. Yeah. There you go. Now push the girl.
How about you holding? You let me start the car.
Hold it right there.
Wow. We're not dying.
Stop being a little girl and hold it on there right.
I am holding it on right. Look at this. Who does this? Who does this? Can I unplug it now? What? Alright, so the bags got here. Only problem is they're too wide and I need them to be skinnier. But I went and put the old, the one I'm using, but these are for the back. So this is the back one, and I got that one to fit in here. Only probably kind of touches a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably not. But probably gotta move it around a little bit, and it'll probably work until I go buy some new ones for the front. So you can see on this side it has a little bit more room. And then I'll probably put these new ones on the back. So that shouldn't be a big deal. But you can see the fronts and then the back. Oh. And then I was gonna try to get it moved out, but I gotta drop the transmission to fix it. And I got another transmission over here. I can show you guys what I'm talking about. So, this little thing right here on that truck is what's moving. So, you can see this is a little bar that sticks to the transmission. And I guess it's not connected to this, which is the problem. Why it's all just moving around. So I gotta drop the transmission and reconnect it. So I'm not too sure when I'm gonna get all this done, because it seems like a lot of work. But what I am probably gonna try to do is move the truck that's on the sidewalk, because I guess some people are complaining about my yard being a mess and I'm obstructing the sidewalk. So we're just gonna move the truck. And then I wanna say we might put it in the garage, we might just put it in the driveway. But when I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and get the other truck, put that in the street instead of the sidewalk, and just, start unplugging everything for the engine on that, so we can go ahead and just swap it and get that done with. And when we get that done with, I can come and work on the truck in the garage and get this one moving and finished, because it's a lot of work, more than I thought it was gonna be. Got the truck in the garage, which still needs to be cleaned. Yeah. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe.